Dear valued SAFE training participant, in your next remote training, you will use the PI Planning app to go through the PI Planning simulation exercise. Please watch this video carefully so you are well prepared. You need to have Chrome installed for this. At the beginning of the PI Planning simulation exercise, you need to navigate to app.piplanning.io. From your SAFE training instructor, you will get your team credentials. You will log in with the company name, starting with PIPS as prefix, followed by a dash, the team name and the team password. Once logged in, you can select the simulation. Then select your team to enter your team board. This is of course still empty. In the navigation on the right side, we have to click on the button Backlog first. Here we have the features of the simulation sorted and listed by WSJF value. As a team, you can now go, select the feature and assign it to your team. Assigned features have a slightly darker blue color, so we know which features are in planning by a team already and which aren't. If you click on the button Team in the navigation on the right side, you can go back to your team board to break down the feature into user stories. With the mouse wheel or trackpad, we can zoom in and out on the board. If we want to create a new sticky, we can do that with the Add Sticky button in the navigation. First, we have to choose which sticky type we want. We can write a summary and click on a 0 and then select a story point value. If you detect a dependency to another team, you create a new sticky note and select dependency as a sticky type. You briefly write down what you need. On the sticky note itself, you can read your team name. That is the name of the team that created this dependency. The arrow from left to right indicates which team it depends on. Now it says no team, because first you have to choose a team. You activate the sticky note, click on Depend and send this dependency to the other team. After sending, the dependency is automatically flagged. Let's switch to the other team. Here it appeared in the same iteration at the same place on the board. They can see that it came from your team. Now they can plan the work around this dependency themselves. Once they know they can deliver, they activate the dependency, hit Program and click on Program Board. Let's switch to the Program Board to see what happened. It appeared in the correct iteration in our team swim lane, ready to be visualized with a string on the program board. In team breakouts, you may identify some risks. You can roam them right on the team board. But if you want to bring these risks to the attention of the entire train, you can put them on the program risk board. Activate the sticky note and click Move. Select Program Risk Board. It disappears from our board and appears here on the program risk board under Risk Submissions. The team objectives we can define in the lower left area on our team board and assign a business value between 1 and 10. If it is an uncommitted objective, we can drag it down to uncommitted. If you want to learn more, you can watch this 20-minute course on how to operate the PI Planning app. We wish you much fun and success in your SAFE training.